Last week, children, we were doing the lesson, Be Honest. I told you about the story that is given in the lesson. They were talking about a man who wanted to go to the South Pole, and when he reached there, then he came to know कि वहां पर already कोई पहले जा चुका है. This man, he did not be dishonest. He came back. He was a little sad, but he was not dishonest. उसने ये नहीं सोचा कि हम अपनी कंट्री का फ्लैग लगा दे वहां पर और सबको बोल दे कि हमने पहला फ्लैग लगाया. He was not dishonest. I told you all, you must all be honest. हमें झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए, हमें हमेशा सच बोलना चाहिए. Just wait, I will let you know. I'm just revising what we did. Did you all read the lesson? Lesson number 6, being honest. How many of you read the lesson? Tell me honestly. सच सच बताना किसने किसने रीडिंग करी थी. Okay, Satakshi is honest. She's saying she did not do. बाकी सबने रीडिंग करी थी. लेसन की. All of you. Please wait, I will let you know. Just now I'm asking a question. Answer that first. All of you read the lesson. Saying no. Yes, Aradhya.
मैम मैं बाहर जा रही थी तब मुझे बुक नहीं मिली थी.
Now listen.
मैंने नहीं की.
Now listen to one thing, children. सब अपना माइक ऑफ करिए पहले. सब अपना माइक ऑफ करिए, हाथ फोल्ड करके सीधे बैठिए. जो मैम बता रही है उसको ध्यान से सुनिए.
मैम मैंने किया था.
All of you fold your hands and sit straight. मैम क्लास में आपको जो भी कुछ कराती हैं, अगर आप सेम डे उसको रिवाइज नहीं करेंगे तो वो काम आपका पेंडिंग रहेगा और जब नेक्स्ट टाइम मैम क्वेश्चंस पूछेंगी तब आप आंसर नहीं कर पाएंगे. तब आप मम्मी की तरफ देखेंगे, मम्मी आंसर बताइए जल्दी से, मैम को बताना है. ऐसे नहीं चलेगा. जब मैम क्लास आपको पढ़ा रही हैं उस समय आपको ध्यान देना है. क्लास फिनिश होने के बाद आपको अपना वर्क रिवाइज करना है. सेम डे उस लेसन को रिवाइज करना है. आप लोग रोज खाना खाते हैं ना. मॉर्निंग में ब्रेकफास्ट करते हैं, फिर दिन में लंच करते हैं, फिर डिनर करते हैं. सब एक दिन रोज का रोज खाना खाते हैं ना, तब पेट भरता है. या फिर आप लोग सिर्फ संडे को छुट्टी वाले दिन सारा खाना कलेक्ट करके संडे को बैठकर खाते हैं. कोई ऐसे करता है? नॉड योर हेड एंड टेल मी. नो, कोई नहीं करता है. फिर आप लोग पढ़ाई के साथ ऐसा क्यों करते हैं कि सब चीज इकट्ठा करके रख लेते हैं, जब टेस्ट होगा या एग्जाम होगा तभी पढ़ाई करेंगे, अदरवाइज कुछ नहीं करेंगे. यू आर नॉट रिवाइजिंग चिल्ड्रेन. मैम जब आपसे क्वेश्चंस पूछती हैं आप लोग मम्मी पापा की तरफ देखते हैं, ये सही बात नहीं है. जब मैम कुछ बोलती हैं आप लोग अपना कैमरा ऑफ कर लेते हैं. दिस इज नॉट द राइट थिंग चिल्ड्रेन. अगर मैम भी कैमरा ऑफ करके पूरा टाइम अगर आपको पढ़ाएंगी तो आपको अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. सो आई वॉन्ट टू सी ऑल ऑफ यू व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. आई वॉन्ट टू सी यू व्हेन आई एम टीचिंग यू एंड यू हैव टू बी ऑनेस्ट. अपने आप से आपको सच बोलना है. आपको रोज अपनी पढ़ाई करनी है. टेबल्स आपको रोज लर्न करने हैं. इंग्लिश जो भी मैम पढ़ाती है वो प्रैक्टिस करना है, रिवीजन करना है. मैम आपको हेल्पिंग. All of you have to revise your work, children. It's very important. Now, just revising once again the lesson that we had done. Being honest, that you have to be honest. आपको हर चीज में सच बोलना है, झूठ नहीं बोलना है. Now there are question and answers on page number 21. Page number 21, there are question and answers. I will be sending it in the group, then you can do it in your book. Just now you turn the page, come to page number 22. Let's do the objective exercises together. Page number 22. Look at exercise B, fill in the blanks. Exercise B, fill in the blanks. Honesty is another name for dash. Honesty is another name for dash. Now those children who read the lesson, जिन्होंने read करा था उनको आंसर पता होगा. किसने किसने lesson read करा था? Okay, Mandvi, give me the answer. Honesty is another name for dash.
Truthfulness.
Truthfulness, very good. Write this correct spelling there. T-R-U. All of you write, children. T-R-U-T-H.
Ma'am.
T-R-U-T-H. F-U-L. N-E-S-S. Truthfulness.
Ma'am, fill in the blanks.
Yes, Bhavika. Page number 22, exercise B. Next one. One can achieve dash and greatness by being honest. One can achieve, हमें हासिल हो सकता है, हमें मिल सकता है क्या अगर हम honest हैं. Yes, Arav?
Ma'am, respect.
We can achieve.
Ma'am,
We can achieve. Okay, we can earn respect and success. So you can write we can achieve respect or success. दोनों में से one word. Write over there success. All of you write success. S-U-C-C-E-S-S. Success. When you finish, give me a thumbs up. Okay. Alia, you have just joined. We are on page number 22, exercise B, number 2. Alia, every day you are coming late, child. You have to be on time. You did not attend the first period also. Are you okay? Everything all right?
yes, ma'am.
Okay, now from tomorrow you have to be regular and on time. Is that clear? You will be on time from tomorrow. No coming late to class. And you have to attend all the classes
Yes,
for the
ma'am.
day.
Me, ma'am.
Okay, now
ma'am.
moving on to the next
Me,
one.
ma'am.
Okay. Moving on to
Me,
number
ma'am.
3. Alia, mic mute
Me,
karo.
ma'am.
Mute your mic,
Ma'am,
Alia.
mother.
Yes, Amna.
अब हम यही करेंगे. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, कि कल छुट्टी नहीं है.
We haven't got any notice as yet, Abdul. When we'll get it, we'll let you know. All right?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
One, two वाला मैंने करा नहीं है.
Number 1 is truthfulness. Number 2 is success. Now moving on to number 3. Moving on to number 3. The Englishman was dashed to see another country's flag there. Shocked. S-H-O. Write the word, children. S-H-O. Bhavika, write and mute yourself. There's a lot of disturbance. S-H-O-C-K-E-D. Satakshi is finished. Okay. Shocked. He was shocked. वो दंग रह गया था. He was surprised. Absolutely. Okay. The next one. The Englishman honestly accepted the dash. Truth. उसने सच्चाई को accept करा. T-R-U-T-H. T-R-U-T-H.
मैम,
Yes.
मैंने 3 क्वेश्चन आंसर पर नहीं लिखा। मैम नंबर 2 से फिर से रिपीट कर दीजिए प्लीज।
Number 1 is truthfulness. Number 2 is achieve. Number 3 is shocked. And the last one, number 4, truth.
मैम 3 का रिपीट कर दीजिए।
SHO. Myra, switch on your camera. SHOCKED.
थैंक यू मैम।
Okay. And number 4, truth. TRUTH. Now moving on to the next exercise. Exercise C. You have to say yes or no. You have to say yes or
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
Number 3 SHOCKED
D.
रहेगा।
Yes. D for Delhi.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Aradhya.
नंबर 4 में क्या लिखा था?
Number 4, the Englishman honestly accepted the truth. उसने सच्चाई को accept करा. TRUTH. TRUTH.
H. Thank you, ma'am.
All right, welcome. Moving on to the next
थर्ड
exercise.
वाले में क्या था? मैम थर्ड वाले में क्या था? Excuse me, ma'am.
Children, I will send this work in the group. I will send the work in the group.
Okay, ma'am.
All right, I'll send this work for you. You can make the corrections in case if you've left out anything. Now moving on to the next exercise. Yes or no? This is a simple one. This is a simple one. Yes or no? Yes, somebody is saying something. Okay. Honesty and truthfulness are very different thing. Honesty and truthfulness. Now remember, I told you honesty and truthfulness, they are almost the same thing. Okay? And यहाँ पर बोल रहे हैं, they are very different things. दोनों अलग अलग हैं. So is it yes or no? Is it yes or is it no? For no, you do thumbs down. For yes, thumbs up. What is the answer? No. Okay. So put over there no. N-O, no. Vani, you're feeling sleepy? Next, number 2. Honesty is the virtue of great people. Honesty, सच्चाई जो है वो great people की निशानी है, qualities है. So is it yes or no? Yes, you're right. It is yes. Put over there yes. Now moving on to number 3. The Englishman in the story was dishonest. Englishman जो है story में वो सच्चा नहीं था. Okay.
मैम फर्स्ट वाला क्या था?
Okay, everybody is giving thumbs down. That means no. Right. Put over there number 3 N-O, no. Number 3 N-O, no. Alia, the first one is N-O, no. And the last one, a country progresses when its people are honest. एक country progress करती है, आगे बढ़ती है, तभी जब वहाँ के जो लोग होते हैं वो honest होते हैं, सच बोलते हैं. So is it yes or is it no? Okay, smart children, all saying yes. Very good. So all of you write over there, yes.
Ma'am, I have done, ma'am.
All right, children. Now remember,
Ma'am,
you
I
have to.
have done. Ma'am, I have done.
That's
Excuse me,
not the
ma'am.
way.
I have done.
You just give a thumbs up. Don't switch on your mics. Just give a thumbs up. Okay, good. Now it says you do not get a
Thank you,
reward or
ma'am.
praise.
Have a nice day, ma'am. Have a good day, ma'am.
Who's this saying bye bye? We haven't finished with the class. Who's saying bye and going? We are still in class, children.
Sorry, ma'am. Say sorry.
Okay.
Say sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Who is this? Who wants to go fast?
Sorry,
Who is this? You don't need to be sorry. It's okay, child. Who is this? I want to know.
ma'am, it's me, Rudra.
Okay, Rod, that was you.
Sorry,
All
ma'am.
right. We are still in
Ma'am,
class,
Rudra.
child.
Ma'am,
Okay.
it's Rudra, ma'am.
Yes, fine. Got it. Rudra, I cannot see you. Camera's off.
Rudra, ma'am, Rudra.
Fine, I cannot. Yeah, now I can see you, Rudra. Okay. We are still in class, child. Okay, let's continue. So, after exercise C, now down below you have, you do not get a reward or praise every time for your honesty. Share how you feel when you do not get anything for being honest. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि हम लोग सच बोलते हैं बट उसका हमें रिवॉर्ड नहीं मिलता है. We feel a little sad. But children, remember, honesty always pays. In the long run, you are always rewarded because God is watching all your actions. So you don't need to be sad. Sometimes we do feel. It says, how do you feel? You feel sad sometimes, but you don't need to be because God is watching all the actions that we do and He is going to reward us. Remember that always and always be honest. Never tell lies. Alright? Now, Mustafa, don't play with the pencil. Don't put it on your ear. You'll accidentally poke yourself. Put the pencil down. Once you finish writing, pencils down. Then it says your friend asked you to lie for him or he would stop being your friend. What would you do? Discuss with your parents. Now this you will discuss with your parents. आपके किसी फ्रेंड ने आपसे बोला कि मुझे बचाने के लिए एक झूठ बोल दो, कुछ काम करना है, उसके लिए आपके एक फ्रेंड ने आपसे आकर बोला देखो अगर तुम झूठ बोल दोगे तो मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी, हम बच जाएंगे. तो क्या आप उसका साथ देंगे? वो आपसे बोल रहा है कि अगर तुम ऐसा नहीं करोगे तो हम तुम्हारी फ्रेंडशिप तोड़ देंगे. So is it the right thing to do, children? No, it's a bad thing. You must never do it. Alia, switch on your mic. Your camera. We will never do it. हम कभी भी किसी के साथ ऐसा नहीं करेंगे. अगर हमारा friend honest है, तो वो हमको कभी ऐसा करने के लिए नहीं बोलेगा. Right? So with that, we finish with this lesson. With that, we finish with this lesson. Right? Now you will read the lesson very well. You will read the lesson very well and you will learn up all the exercises that are given. I will be sending you the question and answers and the exercises. You can do them very neatly in your books. I know for question answers sometimes the place is a little less, but you need to be neat in whatever you're doing. I'll be sending you the work in the group. You can do it neatly, nicely, and then learn it up. Right? And next week, we'll do the next lesson. For now, it's your break time. Thank you. We finished with your class. Now, Rudra, you can say bye. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Bye,
you.
ma'am.
Bye, child.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Bye, bye.